Okay, we meet again, and now we want to study about the chapter 2, mathematical modeling of dynamic system. Model of new system is important in control system, for example, for analyze the system dynamic, and also for design it controller. A mathematical model of a dynamic system is defined as a set of equations. For example, this differential equation that represent the dynamic of the system accurately or at least fairly well. Not that a mathematical model is unique to a given system and may be represented in many different ways. Therefore, may have many mathematical models depend on one's perspective. This one system may be have more than one model, depend on perspective. For example, if you assume the system it is linear, or you assume it is non-linear, the two models is different. In this chapter, we obtain mathematical model that relate the output of the system to its input. This is the mathematical model. Mathematical model is relate between input and output. To develop a mathematical model, we need to use fundamental physics law of the science and engineering. For example, to model electrical network, we need apply Ohm law and Kirchhoff law. And then to model a mechanical system, we need apply Newton law. Or if we want to model a chemical system, and then we need chemical law or thermodynamic and other law. Okay. The relation between the input and output of the system can be described by differential equation. It is figure 2.1. That is separation the system. There is input RT, and in the block it is system, and the output it is CT. Okay, and then we see here that system that is give the overview the relationship between input and output. Okay, in practice, the complexity of the system requires some assumption in the determination of the mathematical model. It is sometimes because of there is something complexity and non-linearity. If we high non-linearity, it is so difficult to model it, and then we use several assumptions. Okay, the equation of the mathematical model may be solved using mathematical tools such as Laplace transform. And then why we study Laplace transform in this part? It is the easy way to process the model that is using Laplace transform. Okay, now we come into the review of Laplace transform. I think all of you have take this part Laplace transform in mathematical subject. In mathematics subject, I think all know about it or have understand about it, but in this case I only review about it. Okay. The Laplace transform method substitute relatively easily solve algebraic equation for a more difficult differential equation. This is the advantages why we use it. The Laplace transform for a function of time is described as equation 2.1, where fs is in Laplace integral 0 minus 0 into infinite ft exponential minus st dt, or we give the symbol. This is the symbol for Laplace from ft. The Laplace of ft it is fs, whereas it is here s, you see s, it is equal to tau plus j omega, a complex variable, while j is -1, tau is the real part, and omega is imaginary part of s. Okay, then the equation 2.1 allow us to convert ft to be fs. The ft is time domain, fs is in Laplace domain. Okay. Example, find the Laplace transform of ft equal to a exponential minus at ut, and then by applying equation 2.1 we can derive like this, and then ft, it is the value of ft, and then because of there is the same exponential, and then we can make like this, and then at the end we get like this. The fs equal to a, capital A per s plus small a. Capital A, that is the amplitude, and then small a, that is the power of exponential. Okay, and at the end we get this, the ft equal to a exponential minus at, it is equal to fs. Fs, there is a per s plus a, small a. There is, if there is the function in time, ft in time, and then this fs, and this is the result. Okay. Okay, in other easy to transfer to convert time domain into Laplace, we can use table. This table 2.1, there is the Laplace transform table. For example, dot t, it is 1, ut, it is 1 per s, tut, it is 1 per s square, cos omega tut, it is s per s square plus omega square. And if t power n ut, it is n factorial per s power n plus 1. You should know about it. You should know about this. Sometimes in test or final exam did not give this table. Okay. To transform fs into ft, it is the next inverse Laplace transform. The first from ft we transfer into fs, and now from fs we transfer again into ft. Okay, we call inverse Laplace transform. Inverse Laplace transform is written as equation 2.2. Ft capital T here equal to 1 per 2 pi g integral 2 minus g infinite plus until 2 plus g infinite. Fs exponential st ds. This is the formula for inverse Laplace transform. And however, equation 2.2 require complex integration to find ft given s, given fs. And then the easy way to find ft given fs is by using Laplace transform table. This is the easy one. Table 2.1. Okay. And then this, for example, find ft given fs using a table inverse Laplace transform. And we find the inverse Laplace transform of f1 s equal to 1 per in the bracket s plus 3 square. Okay. Here not from the table inverse Laplace transform. We know that 1 per in the bracket s plus a power m plus 1, it is equal to t power m per m factorial exponential minus at. That is the general formula. And then if we repair our question, and then we get that for example, if 1 per s in the bracket s plus a square, we can get that t exponential minus at ut, and then therefore we get that 1 per s plus 3 square, it is equal to t exponential minus 3t ut. It is equal to ft. The fs 1 per in the bracket s plus 3 square equal to in ft t exponential minus 3t ut. That is if Laplace like this, and it is in time domain. Okay, this if it is important for sometime if we want to calculate the output of this system in time, or function of time. Okay. Laplace transform theorem. Okay, the next subtopic. Okay, Laplace transform theorem. It's table 2.2 is additional to Laplace transform table. Table 2.1 to assist in transforming between ft and fs. Okay, this is the table 2.1 Laplace transform theorem. Jadi Laplace ft equal to fs. There is the formula, and then we call this the definition. Okay, that is all. You can read it one by one. If for example, if differential Laplace df per dt, it is equal to fs minus f minus 0t. It is initial values, and we call the differential theorem. Okay, but sometimes we assume the initial value it is equal to 0, and the result is become more simple. Okay, partial friction expansion method. This the method that we can use to find the inverse Laplace transform, and then use to find the inverse Laplace transform of a complicated system. There is have 4 cases. Case 1, it is a root of the numerator of Fs are real and distinct. Okay, for example, if Fs it is Cs per Rs, Cs it is the output per input, equal to Cs, it is the denominator, S plus S1 plus S plus S2 in the bracket until S plus Sn. And how and then after that, if we have convert the Fs become like this, and the next step we write down the formulation become like this. It is, for example, it is A per S plus S1 plus B S plus S2 until N per S plus Sn. Okay, jadi S1, S2, Sn it is the root of Fs, the root of Fs. Okay. Case 2, root of denominator Fs are real and repeated. For example, like this, Fs Cs per Rs equal to Cs per S plus S1 plus S plus S2, and then until S plus Sn power n, power r, S plus Sn power r, and then we convert become Fs equal to A per S plus S1 plus B per S plus S2 until N per S plus Sn power r. It is the if you have got like this, it is you only refer to the table to get the FT. This the what we should do in first this to rearrange the model become form like what in the table. We rearrange become like the table, like part right or in the table. We try to rearrange it in order easy to our the correlation, to look at the correlation in table. Next, it is case 3, root of denominator of Fs are complex or imaginary. And then case 4, partial friction can be used when the order numerator Ns is less than the order denominator or ds. If the order numerator is greater than or equal to the order denominator, then the numerator must be divided by denominator successfully until the result has a remainder whose numerator is of order less than its denominator. We divided denominator successively until the result has a remainder whose numerator is of order less than its denominator. This is the what we should do. Okay. Next, you want to look at an example. Okay, we look at the example. For example, if we first we look at the Laplace. Yeah. First, there is example. Laplace transform. Example number 1. If we have ft equal to t ut, for example, how about it fs? That is the question, and then prepare this table. TUT, there is 1 per s. It is easy power by referring the table. And then if fs is equal to one per s square, and then if ft ut, it is fs, okay, per s. Okay, it is we only look at the table. This is the easy one. Or number 3, for example, ft exponential minus 2t ut, and then fs, it is 1 per s plus 2. That is the fs. Or number 4, ft sin omega t. Sorry. Okay. sin omega t. What is Fs? And other easy, we look at the table again. Well, 1. Since there is omega s square plus omega square, there is for sin. It is omega s square plus omega square. This the result. This for example. Okay, this is the Laplace transform. Or for example, if there is like this, maybe number 5, ft 2 t square ut, like that. 2 there is here only, yeah, because of t ut there is here square. As the power is plus 1, this is mean is here power 3. 2 plus 1, it is power 3. There is the, I'm sorry, wait a moment. I'm sorry, how to, I make mistake, sorry. Okay, it's Fs, Fs equal to 2 per s power 3. This example, ft transfer into Fs, or Laplace transform. Next we look at the inverse Laplace transform. Inverse Laplace transform example. Okay, example inverse Laplace transform atau ELT. Number 1, for example, if we has the function like this, we have Fs we have fs equal to 2 s plus 1 per s plus 1 s s minus 2 s plus 3, for example. And then what is it ft? Okay, this is based on the first case. We can derive it ft fs. We transfer first fs. There is a per s plus 1 plus b per ss minus 2 plus c per s minus 3. Okay, and this is equal to 2s plus 1 and s plus 1 s minus 2 s plus 3. Okay, next we multiply this part. This part we multiply here, this part we multiply into here, and then we get that a s minus 2 s plus 3 plus b s plus 1 s plus 3 plus c s plus 1 s minus 2 equal to 2s plus 1. Now in this case we try to choose values of s in order to get value a, b, and c. For example, you can use any other method to find a, b, and c, but for me I'm familiar with this. I use this. For example, if I choose here, if I choose minus 1, is by choose minus 1, and this becomes 0, this becomes 0. It is easy to only this part and this part that we have the values. If we choose minus 1, is, for example, if s minus 1 and then we get a, it is minus 1, it is become minus 3. Minus 3, minus 1, it is minus 3, it is 2, minus 3 multiple 2, it is minus 6. Minus 6 plus, because of there is 0, there is 2 multiple 0, it is 0, and then over here it is 0, minus 3, the multiple it is become 0, and it is minus 1, it is minus 2, minus 2 plus 1, it is minus 1, and then at the end we get that a, it is 1 per 6. We get a, it is 1 per 6. Okay. Okay, now we try to calculate b. If we see here how to get the b, if we choose s equal to 2, and then this part becomes 0, this part becomes 0. Okay, if we choose s equal to 2, next if S equal to, and then we get that 0 plus 0 plus 3 5 di 15 3 5 15b plus 15b plus 0 equal to 5 equal to 5, and then we get b 5 per 15, and then that is b. Okay, for the last, for C, we see here, if we, for example, if we choose S minus 3, if S minus 3, it is become 0, this become 0, then only this part that have values and although here. Okay, we choose now S equal to minus 3, S equal to minus 3. Okay, S equal to minus 3, S equal to minus 3, and then there is 0 0 plus C here, minus 3 that is minus 2, minus 2 that is minus 5, minus 2 minus 5, 10 equal to minus 6, minus 6 plus 1 is minus 5. Minus 5 per 10 minus 2. Okay, at the end we get that Fs equal to A, how much we get A that is 1 per 6, and then B that is 1 per 3, and then C is minus 1 per 2. Okay, now Fs, we can write down Fs that is A that is 1 per 6 per S plus 1, and then plus 1 per 3 S minus 2 plus 1 S 3, or we can write it here 1 per 6 1 S plus 1 S minus 2, and then minus 1 per S plus 3. Okay, jadi Ft that is Laplace inverse, that is symbol for Laplace inverse Fs, and then we get here S plus 1, s plus 1. We can declare again the table in order easy to our s plus 1. You see here, s plus 1 here we get s plus 1. If a it is equal to 1, it is become like this. Okay, it is exponential. Okay, this it mean 1 per 6 exponential minus t, and then plus sorry, exponential to t, because of this minus, plus here I'm sorry, minus got 30 this minus exponential minus 3t ut. Okay, this is the result for ft of the Laplace transform of fs. It is we get. This is the last. This is the example. It is for case 1. Okay, next example. If we if we draw the block, like this, what you have got ft, there is ut, and there is the yt or other. Is it mean the input? Ft, it is come from the previous. It is ft, and there is the input, and there is the output. Sorry. There is the output yt or it is ut, it is input, yt output, and ft system model of system. Okay, this is the block. Okay, look at another example. This is example number 2. For example, if GS there is 1 per s plus 2 s plus 3 square. Example like this. We ask that what is GT is. Okay, what is GT? Okay, like the previous. GS equal to A per S plus B per S plus 2 plus 2, A per S plus B per S plus 2, and C per S plus 3, and then D per S plus 3 square. If this if the power is 3, maybe and then we still plus it with E per S plus 3 power 3. This is the mechanism. If because of there is the repeated repeated root of the denominator of the function. Okay, after we get this, it is equal to 1, yeah. This equal to 1 per S plus 2 S plus 3 power 2. Okay, and then the same with the previous. This we multiply with here, and then we get that A S plus 2 S plus 3 power 2. Okay, and then B S plus 3 power 2, and then C S plus 2 S plus 3. Okay, and D there is okay, D there is S plus 2 equal to 1. Okay, is square. Okay, that is also square. Okay, how we eliminate this part? For example, if we choose here S equal to 0, and then we get that SF equal to 0, the 2 multiple 3 square, 3 square is 9, and it is A equal, A plus 0, it becomes 0 because of S0, and it is also 0, it is also 0, and then equal to 1, and then we get A 1 per 18. A. Okay, next, if we choose s equal to -2, if we choose s equal to -2, and it is this part, it is become 0, and then there is -2, there is 1, 1 square, it is 1, multiple -2, there is -2, the -2b, plus it is here, it becomes 0, and also this becomes 0, 0 plus 0 equal to 1, and then b minus half. Okay, it is for b. Next, if we choose s equal to -3, if s equal to -3, this part becomes 0. Okay, and this part also 0. This part also 0. This part also 0 because of there is 0, 0, and there is -3, it is -1, and it is -3 minus multiple -1, that is 3. It means there is here plus 3d equal to 1. It means d okay, it's to get now to find c, we can use or we can choose any number that we have that we didn't take it yet. For example, if we choose 1 or -1, for example, in this case, if we choose -1, for example, if we choose -1, okay, if we choose s equal to -1, and we will get, if -1 here, -1, it is 1, it is 2, 2 square, that is 4, 4 multiple 1, it is 4, the 4, and then we have is the 4 multiple 1 per 18. Okay, then we get we get first it is a 4, and then b, we see b it is -1, that is we get 2 square, this 4, multiple -1, this -4b. Okay, -4b, okay, -4b, and then we see c is -1, this -1, it is 2, it is 1, and then 2 multiple 1, it is 2, multiple -1, it is -2, -2c, 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 -2c. Okay, and we get here -2c, and then for d here -1 plus 2, it is -1, 1 per multiple minus 1, it is minus 1, the minus d. We get here minus d. Okay, minus d equal to 1. Okay, so we know that a is 1 per pin. For b, how much b? B, it is minus L half, and then d, it is 1 per 3 minus L half. Okay. Minus 2c equal to 1. Okay. And then we get that minus 2c, that is we get 2, 1 plus 2, and then plus minus 4 per 11. Okay, it is 3 plus 3, that is if we multiple 6, it means 2, or 3 plus 9, or 9, and then c equal to minus 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 1 9. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. That is C, and then we have got all the values C, A, B, C, D. We have got all, and now we can rewrite the S. S equal to S. I've got S. Yeah, S. And then minus L half S plus 2 and C, this sorry, C, it is and S plus 3, and then D is S plus 3 square. Okay, there is the GS. this GS. Okay, it is by looking at the table. You refer table again. You refer this table again. You look at this table. So per S it means UT, and then S square this. If S plus A, like this. If S plus, in the bracket S plus A square, it means there is T. There is T. Okay. 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 Okay, where GT GT equal to plus UT, and then second it is minus L half S plus 2, yeah, S plus 2 minus the minus the minus L half S to T, then minus 14/9 exponential minus 3T, and then the last is 1/3 is S plus 3 power 2. Okay, is for that part. Yeah, and then power is T, yeah, T exponential minus 3T UT. That is the result. This is the result. And then if you want to see the block, yeah, here it is here, and it is UT, it is GT. Okay, if we see the block, okay. The next example, case, outer case, the example number 3. For example, if example number 3, if Fs if Fs 2s plus 1 per S square plus 2s plus 5. Okay. And if the condition like this, we ask ft. What kind of ft? Okay. Try to answer. If we see here, denominator s square plus 2s plus 5. That is, if we factorize this, and then we get that s plus 1 plus j2 multiple, it is imaginary, and then s plus 1 minus j2. That is the condition. Okay. And I remember again the table. That is, if we, it mean this not suitable for us if we using factorize. It is difficult for our to find it Laplace inverse. It is difficult to find if using this. Then what we should do next if the condition like that? Okay, if the condition like that, we should referring again the Laplace transform. You should refer again the Laplace transform. Okay, by referring the by referring Laplace transform. Where Laplace inverse for exponential minus at sin omega t is equal to omega s plus a square plus omega square. And then another Laplace at cos omega t, it is equal to s plus a square omega square. Okay. Based on this, we try to manipulate or rearrange our question to become like of one of this, one of this. Which one is possible? Which one is possible? Okay. We refer again our question. It is our question. 2s plus 1 per s square plus 2s plus 5. Okay, we refer again our question. It is fs 2s plus 1 s square 2s plus 5, and then we can rearrange this. We rearrange this if we rearrange like this, s plus 1 plus s plus 1 plus s minus 1. Okay. Sorry. Yeah, we can write like this first. Kind of mine. Sorry. Minus 1. Plus 1 minus 1. Okay, minus 1 per s plus 1 square plus 2 square. Okay, you can see the form it is. Maybe we can use this kind of, okay, or we can also rewrite this 2s plus 1 minus 1, s plus 1 square 2 square. Okay, or we can write this 2s plus 1. Sorry. Okay, we come to the next page. The fs equal to 2s plus 1 s plus 1 square plus 2 square minus 1 per S S plus 1 2 square. Okay, this we have the form, but it is we should make it the same here and here. Okay, and how to change it? This part, this part we can change like this. If we multiply here 2 power 2 S S plus 1 2 square, and then we can see like that. 1 per 4 2 square per S plus 1 plus 2 square. Okay, we have get it. The Fs 2 S plus 1 S plus 1 square plus 2 square minus 1 per 4 2 square S plus 1 2 square. Okay, and the last is we can find the Ft. The Ft is equal to Laplace inverse Fs, and then we get that 2 it is we see again for this part it is cos. For this part it is cos, it is sin. Okay, this is cos, it is sin. It means 2 sorry, because of there is one here, it is exponential. Sorry, I forgot. Okay, okay, exponential minus t cos 4t, because omega that is 4 minus 1 per 4 sin sorry okay, exponential minus t sin 4t. Okay, ut sorry. Okay, this is the result ut. Okay, this is the last result. Okay, the last form of the answer. It is the mechanism how to find the Laplace transform. Other example, this example number Example number 4 related in case 4. Okay, our example. Okay, wait a moment. This number 4. If like this, Fs equal to s power 3 and 5s square and 9s plus 7 and s plus 1 s plus 2. We see here the numerator order is less than the numerator. It means we should divide it numerator by denominator. Okay, F3. Okay, we should do first. It is we divide the numerator with the denominator. Okay, here, sorry. S power 3 plus s square 9s 7 divided with s plus 1 s plus 2. Or we also can write as s square plus 3s plus 2 is s power 3 5s square 9s plus 7. Okay, and then we get s and s power 3 plus 3s square 2s nya. Okay, s square five s 7. Okay, then we get this 2 and then we multiply with this 2s square 6s 4 and s plus 3. Okay, now we get that fs this become s plus 2 and s plus 2 per s plus 1 s plus 2. Okay, because of here I'm sorry, this s plus 3 as plus 3. Okay, now from this Laplace inverse Laplace inverse for s, Laplace inverse for s, it is equal to d per dt, it is s, and then Laplace inverse to it is equal to sorry, to do t, it is plus do t. Okay, it is the result. For another part, there is Laplace inverse s plus 3, s plus 1, s plus 2. This we should first find the parameter like previous, s plus 1 plus bs plus 2. We should find a and b. It means a s plus 1, b s plus 2 equal to s plus 3, s plus 1. S plus 2, and then we got that a plus 2, b plus 1 equal to s plus 3, and then if s equal to minus 1, and then we get that a equal to 2. Okay, if s minus 2, and then we get that minus 2 it is 0, and there is minus b equal to 1. It means b equal to minus 1. Okay, and then we get that Laplace inverse s plus 3 equal s plus 1, s plus 2 equal to Laplace inverse a A we get 2b minus 1 ya. Uh, 2 per s plus 1 minus 1 per s plus 2, and then we get that that is 2 minus t and minus 2t. Okay, that is the result. And then gt Laplace inverse gs, we got that d per dt of t. Dot t plus 2 dot t, and then minus t 2t. This is the last result. Okay, this for last Laplace transform. Okay, and the next class we continue with block diagram algebra. Okay, see you the next class.